Timber Ridge Zero Gravity Chair Oversized Recliner Padded Folding Patio Lounge Chair. It has 350 pounds capacity adjustable lawn chair with cup holder, headrest, for outdoor, camping, patio, lawn. The best features of this chair: outstanding loading capacity. Anti-gravity chair supports up to 350 pounds, sturdy steel tube frame, premium quality elastic cord, and durable polyester fabric make this heavy-duty zero-gravity chair is sturdy enough for everyday use. Adjustable reclining position. Patented locking mechanism on this outdoor recliner. Easy locking levers adjust and lock the oversized zero-gravity chair to any position from upright to fully laid back. The easiest locking mechanism on the market. Oversized dimension is 43.5 by 22 by 21.3 inches. The fully reclined length of the reclining camping chair is 72 inches. Our zero-gravity chair XL provides you enough space for your outdoor relaxing. Comfortable design. Padded folding chair designed with full padded seating, removable pillow for both head and lumbar support. Ergonomic design and natural wood armrest on this outdoor recliner provides a zero-gravity weightless experience. No assembly, this folding lawn chair can be folded and unfold in seconds. The camping lounge chair is easy transportation and storage. Suitable for patio, lawn, garden, yard, or balcony. We back our products with a full 1-year manufacturer's warranty.